What's going on, you guys? I wanted to make a quick video showing the replacement of a halogen bulb on my GSA 1250. Mine didn't come with the LED version, so it's a halogen. Excuse the bike, it's a little dirty. It just came back from a ride, and I got this nice dramatic error code on my bike. It's a pretty easy fix. So right behind the headlight, there's a small cap you twist to the left, and it just pops right out and exposes the light bulb. I'll try to leave the high beam on so you can kind of see the insides of it once I get the cap off there. Use my little phone light here to try to see a little better, but alright, now with the cap off, the light bulb is connected with a connector and then two little clips on the left and right side of it. There's a little notch that they both fit into, so you push down and they should pop out. Alright, so with the connector unplugged and then both clips, like I said, just push that, it should pop right out. And then once that's out of the way, you can literally just pull the bulb right out. Alright, the manual says it's a H7 12 volt 55 watt bulb. I just went on Amazon and picked one up from Philips. The bulb has three little notches there that fit into the notches on the bike light assembly. Just make sure you line those up when you put them back into the assembly. And also don't touch the bulb. Alright, with the bulb back and the connector back on, connect the two clips on the left and right side, then the bulb should be secure. Then the only thing left to do is to put the cap back on it and screw it back to the right, and it should be good to go. Walk around to the front here and see that both lights are now on. Now there's also no more dramatic error code. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.